We've all been there before. You go to the bathroom and you go to flush the toilet and there's no flushing going on there. Or even worse, you have company and the company goes to flush the toilet and it doesn't flush. That was just our situation. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 products that I attempted to address the issue and the one that worked. Let's dive in. So I investigated why the toilet was not flushing. I found that the fill valve was not going all the way down, so it was getting hung up. The fill valve needed to go all the way down in order to open the valve, but it was getting hung up and stopping halfway and not opening the valve, so water would not fill the tank. First, I tried WD-40. It's not billed as a lubricant, but it does say that it frees sticky mechanisms, which was just, in our case, the plastic-to-plastic contact of the fill valve was getting hung up. So I sprayed there liberally and let it soak in, worked it in, and let it do its thing. After just 3 flushes, the fill valve mechanism was getting hung up yet again. That was with WD-40. Next, I tried Superzilla. Have you heard of Superzilla? Superzilla is a green wonder product. Superzilla claims to lubricate, penetrate, clean, protect, and it's all a green wonder product. So I tried Superzilla. I sprayed it on that contact point yet again. Worked it in really good. And just after 3 flushes, the fill valve was hung up again. Then I tried petroleum jelly, Vaseline petroleum jelly. I give it a good smear on all the contact points and worked it in there really good. And haven't had a problem with the fill valve hanging up since. Learn something every day. And since it's petroleum based, I won't have to do it for quite a while. I hope this helps. If it doesn't help, click the image on your screen now to see how easy it is to replace the fill valve. I'll see you in the next video. Nice.